Hey, hello everyone. This is my blog. Basically, this blog while I was having experience of fun with my friends in this Bisari Devi temple at Sankisa. So during that time, I recorded this video in terms of blog. So this is kind of small blog. So in this blog, you can get to see different types of views, moments as it happens in the Blaze time. In Blaze, like most of the time, if there is any kind of fair, so you can explore the blazer peoples or shops or like vibrant things, and everyone looks like very quite happy as feeling like top of the moon. So many things can be experienced. Like now you can see this asmani jhula. Like if you want to swing among the sky, so you can have experience by being there or going there. And the ticket was not that much, I can say higher, very costly, so you can go at a cheap price. Not, yeah, it must be just 10 or 20 rupees. So by 20 rupees you can like have different types of experience. You should have your friends, your company should be like you company should be just transparent. Everyone should be just likewise your mind, so you can have experience. So such a have a experience with my friends. And like finally I get on this jhula. So over this jhula I was feeling very scared, sense of fear, because I didn't have so much experience. Even I didn't try the jhula, but my friends, they forced me to go with them, and they are trying to pulling my legs. They are making fun of me, like as I was feeling scared, so due to which they are trying to make me comfortable. I started feeling comfortable for the time being. Meanwhile, like they started reciting Sairi with each other. They are like kind of Sharana Mahol it has created, or I also started having fun with them, like Nitin and and as you can see, Imanu kind of person who always create some different moments. In moments you must feel like you would feel amazing. You won't feel boring for a single moment. Like along with that, you can see Mank Mishra. He is a very genuine and kind of mature person. He also loves with my company. I also love with his company. So in this company, the feeling, the experience, and so many moments was quite fantastic, exciting, mesmerizing, and I just stuck on the like height. So as you can see, we are stuck on the height as a jhula wala person. He trying to get on some other people. So at that time we were having fun, or we are just getting different experience. Like they are talking to each other, but in meanwhile I just observing them, like how could I manage and how could control my fear. After get off the jhula, and we started walk on the road in the mela. I'm just walking on the road. So along with me, across me you can see there are a lot of shops, or different types of shop, you can say like sweet shop, like jalebi kind of, and samosa, pakodi, each and everything, which is every village persons loves to this, and I also love. And as Mank have come to their home, so in meanwhile he just wanted to come with me, and Emmanuel also quite get busy with their job. So like they are very busy person. I was also very busy. So anyhow, like we could take time for a having fun. Like as you can see, these are glimpses as we have captured in my phone, so that in future we can recall, we can feel these moments. Because uploading on social media or any internet, you can these things